Hi bazala bamzitho, welcome to Mkosi noMagajeni. I am uMagajeni. So guys, I have a voice note. Is it a voice note? Yes, where Mpumela advising abangani bakhe about isithembu.
Mpumelelo, yabona into yakho isithembu lesi. Lento leyo boyibuka kuwe wehalela umuntu ubuka ehalela le into right. Mara bese yenza uJonas manje uyabona ukuthi iyabheda lento le. Hayi iyabheda lento le. Anisa-advise ukuthi yini into right ne wrong la ngoba boyibuka kuwe mfo kamseleku lapha niyenza kahle lento right lento. Lento bese yenza uJonas. Jonas umoshe konke.
Cha kodwa bhuti mase sikhuluma eqinisweni nathi sisamangele. Siyazana sonke thina abantu besithembu. uJonas lona siyamqala. Uze mawala and usanda kuvumbuka, sisanda kumbona besingazi ukuthi kunensizwe njenganaye ephilayo ezweni labantu abanesithembu.
So bazala bami, a lot of people they act as if they don't love Mpumela. That's one thing engibonile manje enginotisile these days ukuthi amadoda abaningi ayafuna ukufana noMpumelelo and abafazi abaningi they don't mind ukuba ebudlalaneni noMpumelelo, dating uMpumelelo. Because tell me why on this voice note the friend is saying amadoda amaningi sibukela kuwe kodwa lento yenza uJonas ayikho right. Yes, I've seen abantu abaningi they are comparing uMpumelelo noJonas, but remember guys, abantu they are in a relationship with Mpumela, open relationship, they know each other. So uJonas, to me Mpumela noJonas abafani ncamashi, but i-behavior yabo ingabifani. Mpumela, one thing I've noticed, akahloniphi abantu azwana nabo and engathi uthatha lento yokugula kancane. On another hand, uJonas lento bakayenza, it was pure cheating because umfazi kaJonas bekahleli not knowing ukuthi uJonas ulana yonke le South Africa and uJonas is married to that umama kaSarah. Kojobani mama kaSarah on the thing, but I know Kamla Khamampela uSilesiNtuli. Remember ugel bakangazi. So abotirelo they are in a relationship knowingly. That means bona bayisithembu lo bangazi ukuthi isithembu ngaphandle the second wife le yazicelele yena ukuthi ngcono abo unkosikazi wethu because of abantu bazothini, what the public will say. You understand? But we cannot compare Mpumela noJonas. Ukenya kubona Mpumela noJonas. Ubaba uMseleki noJonas guys. Jonas. I feel like abantu abathi bawumsele kufana noJonas, that is pure disrespect because amakhosikazi abamsele wonke angene azi ukuthi ufuna isithembu. Even the only reason enza ukuthi umayeni angabi umfazi oqala is because kibomayeni bebangayizwa indaba ukuthi bawumsele ufuna isithembu and bebangayizwa indaba ukuthi umntana bomela ashadwe esithembini because bathi inkolelo yabo ayivumi ukuthi abantwana babo bashade esithembini. So I feel like it's very unfair ukuthi sithi umsele kufana noJonas, and I feel like it's disrespect guys. Baba umsele akafani noJonas to me akuba umsele nje akafani noJonas, angifuni nje uqamba amanga, akafani noJonas. uJonas nje isilwane, and it's so funny how abantu they are so shocked about i-character kaJonas, but bahleli nabo Jonas ezindlini. Uhlana le ndoda uhleli naye uneneme ukuthi wonke amadoda ayajola, eyakhe indoda kusuJonas. Umseleko lobola wonke amakhosikazi akhe 5, even the first wife ungene azi ukuthi uzolanywa, walanya angaqedi even ne3 years ashadile. Uhleli emshadweni azi ukuthi ngingalanywa noma kunini. Wena uthi umseleko uJonas, wena indoda yakhe nabantwana yonke le South Africa, labantwana ongafuni bawondle, yena akasuJonas. Kundoda yakho wonke amadoda ayajola, umseleko uJonas. Guys, asibe neqiniso leni show wrong. But bazalami, that is all for now. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.